Get protocol plus hostname from URL. In my Django app, I need to get the hostname from the referrer in request.meta.get http_refer, along with its protocol so that from URLs like https docs.google.com spreadsheet ccc?key 等于 blah 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 井号 gid 等于https stackoverflow.com questions 1234567 http://www.example.com https://www.otherdomain.breaktime equals 1s/break v1 equals 0 and v2 equals blah plus blah. I should get https://docs.google.com https://stackoverflow.com http://www.example.com https://www.otherdomain.example/. I looked over other related questions and found about URL parse, but that didn't do the trick since
you should be able to do it with URL parse, docs, Python 2, Python 3.
This URL. This is a more verbose version of URL parse. It detects domains and subdomains for you from their documentation. Extract result is a name tuple, so it's simple to access the parts you want.
Python 3 using URL split.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.